This is circle. Pi means the whole circumferential line, the whole edge of the circle. That's what pi means. Okay, if I just cut this circle, let's say this circle is a 2D circle. If I just cut it, it will goes to small strip. You see, I just cut it. I have my scissor. It goes to small strip. So this goes to, this is the pi. This is a circumferential or the perimeter. Okay, or it's just the pi, and then they goes up from the value of 3.1416 and then so forth and so forth. Yeah, they goes from the value of that. It means the circle, it doesn't matter the size. It means it doesn't matter the size. Let's say if that was a small circle or the huge circle, it doesn't matter. It always goes up to 3.1416. But how about if I add some radius? So that's the real another matter. So that's why there's a complete parameter. So you just goes up with pi if there's always a circle, a perfect circle, okay? Na hindi mo na that you just neglect the area, the radius. If you neglect the radius, the pi was always 3.1416. That's what I thought. Okay? But if you want to know the perimeter of the exact circle with radius in it, okay, so makuha mo ang whole perimeter with radius. Let's say I want to know the radius of my plate. I want to know the radius of my plato, my plate. I want to know the perimeter of my plate. The perimeter is the edge, okay? It's like this notebook, the edge. I want to know the perimeter of my plato with some certain radius of let's say the radius is 6 inch. So 2 pi times r. So perimeter 2 times pi times 6 inch. Okay, that's all. Okay, that's all.